Okay, so I have drawn an Easter egg in the middle as an Easter egg special. So hello guys. Uh, Today I am going to draw an Easter egg. This time I am going to do Easter egg two. Wait, what? So now let's get into it. Import turtle, and this is one of my this is one of my simple creations. Uh, it may not look like an Easter egg, but it's just so that it can looks like chocolate and looks like some yellow. I don't like there's no there's like I'm not drawing any bunny bees in the background. It's just a matter of ovals. So import turtle. It, oval. The oval equation means that I have to do sine and cosine. So I go to import math as well. So egg equals turtle dot pen. Egg dot speed 0. Egg dot color. What? Uh, Fill color so that I still have a black border. Uh, Brown, depth oval, uh, ABR, uh, for IA range 315. Uh, I'd say that accuracy is important here, so I'm going to make it a larger number. Uh, so it's large now. So egg so x equals a times r times math dot cosine I divided by 100. Y equals b times r times math dot sine I divided by 100. Uh, Egg dot go to x y. Uh, egg egg dot up down. Now, yeah, oval 1 minus 1 100. Now it's going to be boringly slow. Yeah. Egg dot begin fill. Like if it's not completely covered and encircled by its drawing, it will just fill from the start point to end point. So egg dot end fill. Uh, Egg dot fill color yellow. Brown and brown. I personally don't like that brown. But I personally don't like that brown. But if you like, you can keep it as brown. But I'm going to do this at 0, comma 0. 0.5, 0.250, because that's half of it is red, a quarter of it is green, and none is blue. For egg dot fill color yellow, I'm going to change this to 110. Now egg. Let's just copy and paste this so that we could draw the second bit of the egg. 1.50 100. And wait, no. Hide the turtle. Egg dot hide turtle dot done. Egg dot hide turtle dot done. And that's the end of this. Uh, that's the end of this video, I guess. Please subscribe. We are so close to 50 subscribers. And I'll do some JavaScript code for you when we get there. In fact, we're one subscriber away from 50s. So goodbye and have an excellent Easter. Bye.